Welcome, today I am with DJI Action 2 and I will show you how you can input SD card to this device. So at first you have to remember about attaching this additional battery to your camera. Next you have to rotate, and under this DJI marking you will find SD card to input. So you have to input this card like that. Take a look. Or on the opposite side. Yeah, definitely like that. So with this characteristical marking like that, and then just press with your fingernail, and as you can see there you get a notification that SD card is inside. And by the way, it's the slow SD card, never mind. That's how you can input. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.